HTML lists are used to group related items together. They make your content more readable and structured. There are three main types of lists in HTML: unordered, ordered, and description lists. Unordered lists are used when the order of items doesn't matter. They display bullet points by default. Each item is wrapped inside an lay tag, which stands for list item. Ordered lists are used when the order of items is important. They are numbered automatically. This is useful for instructions or step-by-step guides. Description lists are used to define terms and their descriptions. They are perfect for glossaries or definitions. You can customize lists using CSS. For example, you can change bullets, numbers, or even use emojis. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials.